Living a healthy lifestyle seems to be getting more popular these days, especially now during the current pandemic in which we're living. Within our bodies, millions of processes occur every day, such as turning the foods we eat into energy. These processes require oxygen. Byproducts of using oxygen are called oxidants, often referred to as free radicals. So in this video, we're going to tell you about the antioxidants and your health. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Antioxidants are nutrients found naturally in food, especially in dark and brightly colored vegetables and fruits. An antioxidant can be a vitamin, mineral, or phytochemical, a naturally occurring plant substance. In the 1990s, antioxidants became famous as the nutritional equivalent of the fountain of youth. Increasing your intake of vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and selenium was promoted as an easy and painless way to prevent cancer, heart disease, vision problems, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, and many other illnesses. Antioxidants seem to be everywhere in superfoods and skincare, even chocolate and red wine. Products that contain antioxidants are marketed as essential for good health, with promises to fight disease and reverse aging. Antioxidants are water-soluble or fat-soluble. They reside in parts of our cells that are watery or oily. For example, vitamin C is water-soluble and is found in the watery filled compartments of the body. Vitamin E is fat-soluble and can be found in our cells' lipid-rich, fat-rich areas like the cell membrane. Even though they work in different areas of the body, our antioxidants communicate and support one another. Think of them as good friends or co-workers. Antioxidants work together like a fantastic team that defends against destructive unstable molecules called free radicals. During oxidative stress, DNA, proteins, and fat-forming cells are damaged and may lead to cancer, heart disease, and various other diseases and infections. To improve the balance between free radicals and antioxidants, strive to increase antioxidant food sources. Fruits and vegetables are the best first choice when trying to consume antioxidants. Foods such as broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, sweet potatoes, raspberries, mangoes, kiwi, avocado, and blueberries are very rich in antioxidants and fight against free radicals. Legumes and nuts are other sources to consider. Antioxidants may be found in supplements such as vitamin C, vitamin E, green tea, and selenium, but consider food sources before supplementation to receive all the other nutrients they can provide. Antioxidants are substances found in plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, pulses, coffee, and tea, along with supplements. They're essential to your health because antioxidants can prevent or delay cell damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are a normal byproduct of human life. For example, you produce them naturally in the form of lactic acid when you exercise. Free radicals can also come from outside sources like cigarette smoke, air pollution, certain medications, and sunlight. The problem with free radicals is that they bind to cells in such a way that they damage the protein and DNA inside. However, that threat can be neutralized by antioxidants. That's why it's important to continually consume antioxidants in order to counter free radical damage in your body. Research studying the impact of supplementing the diet with antioxidant-rich vitamins like vitamin C, beta-carotene, vitamin E, and selenium has come up short, but diets high in antioxidant-rich foods have been linked to a reduced risk of developing heart disease. As a result, current national guidelines on the prevention of cardiovascular disease recommend choosing foods rich in antioxidants versus taking supplements. Some foods that contain antioxidants may have anti-inflammatory properties. Rather than focusing on single foods and nutrients, it's best to follow a healthy eating plan. Examples include Canada's Food Guide, the Mediterranean Diet, the DASH Diet, or the Portfolio Diet. These eating patterns will ensure that you're getting a variety of nutrients, including antioxidants that act together to support optimal health and well-being. Scientists became interested in antioxidants several decades ago when they noticed that people who regularly consumed fruits, vegetables, and other foods high in antioxidants had a lower incidence of diseases such as cancer, heart disease, arthritis, age-related vision problems, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and many other conditions. Speculation began to grow that perhaps antioxidants might be key to preventing degenerative diseases and slowing the aging process. However, it's difficult to rule out other factors that may play a role. For example, people who take vitamins may also exercise more or take better care of themselves in other ways. Such factors make the results of these studies less reliable. Early on, scientists raised the possibility that other factors in fruits and vegetables, besides the major antioxidants, were responsible for their beneficial health effects. Or alternatively, that antioxidant ingredients had to be present in certain combinations or in the context of whole food. Nonetheless, based on studies that showed positive physiologic changes when these antioxidants were taken, many scientists remained convinced that isolated antioxidant supplements should be helpful. So they tested this theory in a large study enrolling tens of thousands of people who took antioxidant supplements for several years. Much to everyone's surprise, the majority of these studies did not support a beneficial effect for antioxidant supplementation. Not only did antioxidant supplements fail to prevent illness, but they also appeared to increase it under certain circumstances. This was true not only when isolated antioxidants were used, but with combined antioxidant therapies as well. An analysis of randomized trials investigating the effects of antioxidant supplements on longevity found no decrease in mortality, with the possible exception of selenium. Moreover, vitamins A and E and beta-carotene appear to be modestly but significantly increased mortality. This was true whether the supplements were used alone or in combination. There is no definitive answer to whether or not consuming antioxidants, either through food or supplements, reduces cancer risk or improves heart health, says Tim Spector, MD, FRCP, FRSB, a professor of genetic epidemiology at King's College London. And any product marketing that says otherwise is pushing a wellness agenda that's not backed by research. Ultimately, the health benefits associated with antioxidants likely go hand in hand with the benefits of eating a diet rich in whole foods and leading a healthy lifestyle. Scientists do know that antioxidants can help reduce inflammation, a process by which white blood cells protect your body from outside invaders like bacteria and viruses. When cells are damaged by an overabundance of free radicals, an inflammatory response can occur. Oxidative stress occurs when we lack balance, and it can damage our body and brain. And increased stress, mood disorders, and chronic disease increase oxidative stress. A vicious cycle occurs. Oxidative stress is also associated with inflammation. Inflammation is a key driver in chronic diseases like cardiovascular disease and mood disorders like depression. There appears to be a bidirectional relationship here. Oxidative stress increases inflammation, and inflammation increases free radicals, leading to oxidative stress. Antioxidants help reduce inflammation. Vitamin C, for example, has been shown to reduce C-reactive protein, CRP. Elevated CRP is associated with increased cardiovascular disease. Vitamin C was found in one study to reduce CRP by 25% in those with elevated CRP. This is amazing and comparable to CRP reductions seen with statin medications. The body does its best to stop oxidative stress. It'll produce an arsenal of antioxidants, but the body's internal antioxidant system alone is not enough. The diet must be rich in plants to reduce the constant bombardment of free radicals successfully. The history of the supplement beta-carotene and its potential cancer-preventing benefits provides an example of antioxidants' disappointing record. The story began in the early 1980s when the cumulative results of many studies suggested that people who eat a lot of fruits and vegetables are significantly less likely to get cancer. A close look at the data pointed to carotenes as the active ingredients in fruits and vegetables. It appeared that a high intake of dietary carotene might significantly reduce the risk of cancers of the lung, bladder, breast, esophageal, and stomach. In addition to these observational studies, evidence from laboratory evaluations showed that beta-carotene helped prevent healthy cells from becoming cancerous. The possibility that a simple, cheap supplement could reduce cancer rates excited researchers. For a 2011 review article in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity, researchers reported that supplemental antioxidants may not offer the same sufficient protection as an antioxidant-rich diet from whole foods. In fact, it can be difficult to disentangle the direct health benefits of antioxidants from other nutrients in foods where they occur. According to researchers, antioxidants work best when consumed as whole foods in the form of vegetables, fruits, and legumes. For example, beyond diet, other healthy lifestyle choices like avoiding exposure to cigarette smoke and other pollutants can reduce your risk of oxidative stress. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.